Hello, dear student. Good morning.
Good morning.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too.
How are you this morning?
This morning fine.
Okay, dear student. Now come to the point. Last class we were talking about present indefinite tense, but today we shall learn past indefinite tense structure, different types of structure, such as affirmative, negative, interrogative and negative questions. Okay, first of all I'm coming to Miss Nidhi, what do you know about affirmative structure of past indefinite tense?
Thanks for your asking. The affirmative structure of past indefinite
Very good. Can you give me one example? For example,
For example, he learned English.
here learnt is past form of
Bharat.
verb. Thank you so much. So now, Miss Oishi, can you tell me what is the negative structure of past indefinite tense?
Thanks for your asking. The negative structure of past indefinite tense is subject plus uh, did not plus verb base form of verb plus object.
For example,
For example, I did not go to Dhaka.
well, thank you. So, Miss Mahisha, what is the interrogative structure of past indefinite tense?
Thanks for your asking. The interrogative structures of past indefinite tense is did plus subject plus base form of verb plus object plus question mark.
Very good. Can you give me one example? For example?
Did you learn Hindi?
Yes, thank you.
This
Now, okay, I'm coming to our last student, Tui. Tui, uh, do you know what are the negative question structure for past indefinite tense?
Thanks for your asking. There are two structures for negative question. They are if subject is pronoun, then did plus subject plus not plus base form of verb plus extension plus question mark.
Good.
And if subject is noun, then didn't plus subject plus base form of verb plus extension plus question mark.
Good. Can you give me two examples?
Did you not see Maisha?
Good.
Or didn't Maisha see Oishi?
I mean, did you not see my here? Subject is pronoun, you. And next, I think you is subject is pronoun, right?
Yes.
And next you said didn't Maisha. So here subject is noun. Good. Thank you so much. So, dear student, Miss Nidhi, Oishi, Maisha and Toi. This way we can translate from Bangla to English by following this structure. Understand? So we have to know if the sentence is affirmative, okay, or positive, then we can use past form of verb. Otherwise, whenever it is negative, interrogative, negative question, my verb must be present form of verb, because that time we are using did. Okay, so next class we shall learn about future indefinite tense. Okay, thank you so much for joining us. Don't go outside unnecessarily. This is pandemic situation, COVID-19. So stay at home and keep distance, social distance. I mean physical distance. Okay, thank you. Hope to see you next. Goodbye.
Goodbye.